ディション落ちてしまった。
Just cut right out.
Yeah, yeah.
なぜ私が選ばれたか、そんなの分かってるでしょ。香織先輩より私の方が上手いからです。敵落ち込んでる。
Yeah, yeah. Oh. All right, welcome everyone. We're Semblance of Sanity. I'm Caleb.
I'm Jacob.
And we're here for
EPK Euphonium, Season 1, Episode 10.
10.
And we got the auditions out of the way. That was a bit stressful for pretty much everyone involved.
Pretty much, yeah.
And not everyone made the cut, because
Not Nakagawa.
auditions. Yeah, Nakagawa didn't. Hazuki didn't. Okay. And then Reina got the solo part for the trumpet. Awesome.
And Kumiko, by getting in, also was repeating the same situation from before where she got a part or was bullied for potentially getting a part over a third year senpai. And that is something that could be repeated here, not necessarily for her, but for her
certainly
friend.
for her friend, yeah.
Yes.
And that would be, okay, kind of, don't take this the wrong way, cool if that happened because since Reina was so helpful for Kumiko to, grab her face and be like, hey, do your best. I'm going to be doing my best, right?
Right.
If then she ends up getting some flack for doing her best and then Kumiko is able to come in and help out there, that would be some cool, coming full circle, balance stuff.
Yeah, exactly. And this means that now that they're all set up, basically, they have their parts, everyone knows where they're supposed to be now. The people who did not get parts can be focused on with practicing and getting that aspiration or ambition towards, being in
the next competition, maybe?
The next one, yeah, because this is not something that has to be static for the entire school year.
Exactly, right. This is one competition. This is not finals or nationals or, No, actually, it might be. Yeah, they're training for it.
I mean, they're preparing.
Yeah, they're preparing for it.
Well, we'll see
how this goes, yeah.
So, y'all, without further ado, let's get into this.
Oh, we're actually going to show it in detail.
Here we go.
私は別に7年のくせに調子だな。あんたがいなければコンクールで吹けたのに。
Wow, okay. Let's get into it,
No wonder she wanted to go to a different school.
同級生が落ちて下級生が受かることは決して珍しいことではない。だからといって全ての人が結果を素直に受け入れるかというと
Entirely different story.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
大前ちゃん
Hey, awesome.
Oh.
話あるから付き合ってよ。おごるからさ。
Oh, she's killing all the potential awkwardness.
Yep.
With her own efforts.
Way to go, Nakagawa.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh. Sleeves are off for this one.
This is battle music.
Yeah.
3分25秒です。
十分時間内に収まります。
Gotcha.
では、
All right.
本日はこれまでにします。
So they could be more impressive if they do multiple
先
songs.
生、リストに書いてある毛布って超余ってます。
Why?
For the instruments, maybe?
お、緑がどうしても甘いもん食べたいって言ってるんだけど。
I got something.
ごめんね。今日はちょっと話があるから大前ちゃん貸して。
Cool.
Look at her face.
Yeah.
出てる。
You said that out loud, yeah.
もうそのくせ直しなよ。
Wait.
香織先輩。へえ、知らなかった。
Wait. Oh. Oh, she's not going to be the one that's doing the bullying.
おごるって言って。
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
crap.
ああ、オーディション落ちてしまった。
Just cut right out.
Yeah. Ah,
気にしてたのか。
this is
大
great.
丈夫だって。もともと私、UFO 始めて1年だし、ま、練習したのは今の部の空気。
Yeah, you guys inspired her.
先生に乗せられたっていうから。
Oh.
私なんかそういうのに弱くてさ、自分が練習してないところ吹いてって
Oh, damn.
Oh.
言われは実力でちゃんと勝ち取ったんだよ。私はそれで納得してる。
Wow.
Wait. Oh,
Wow.
way to go.
それを言おうと思ってさ。
That's
じ
it?
ゃあ楽譜持ってる？
Oh. Oh. She is such a nice person.
財布の中小銭しかないからね。
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh.
definitely.
Oh.
The tears.
Oh.
Yeah.
Once they did that fish lens thing with the distortions, I knew that she had to be like coming up with tears, you know, like they were welling up.
これからは全員で金賞を目指して頑張る。
Okay.
Kaori the leader.
しないでって他の子にも言っておいて。
Wow.
ありがとう。
Whoa. That was cool.
Okay.
That was cool. Little flashback.
Yeah.
But what's the rumor?
に貼り付けてください。
なんだ、みんなで泊まり込むわけじゃないんだ。
したければしてもらっても構いませんよ。
Or is it to simulate the sound of being in an open space?
より大きな音を正確に吹くことが要求され
Cool.
ま
Very smart.
す。実際の会場はこの音楽室の何十倍も大きい。
Yeah. So no timid playing, basically. Okay.
Alright,
Are you going
cool.
to?
一つ質問があるんですけど、いいです
Crap.
か？以前から知り合いだったって本当ですか？
それを尋ねてどうするんですか。
ゆうこちゃん、ちょっと。
いい気したことや誰かに特別な計らい
Yep.
をした
Yep.
ことに
No
Boom.
hesitation.
全
Just
公
yeah.
平に審査しました。父親同士が知り合いだった関係で中学時代から彼女のことを知っています。
なぜ黙ってたんですか？
言う必要を感じませんでした。
Yeah.
God damn it, kids.
なぜ私が選ばれたかそんなの分かってるでしょ。香織先輩より私の方が上手いからです。
あんたね、うぬぼれるのもいい加減にしなさいよ。ゆうこちゃん、うるさい。やめて。やめて。レイナ、久美子ちゃん。うざい、うざい。なんなのあれ。てっきり落ち込んでる。
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
思わない。本当に。
Oh.
That the way she was like,
Hours.
really?
Yeah.
プロのトランペット
Oh. Oh.
Yeah. Okay. That's the.
お父さんは吹奏楽の有名な
Gotcha. So of course they know each other.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
私お母さんから
Gotcha.
So if anything, she, like, you know, she might feel a little bit like she's targeting, you know.
私さ
Yeah, yeah.
滝先生のこと好きなの。
No, that makes
好き
sense.
って言
Yeah.
ってもライクじゃないよ。ラブの方ね。
ラブ。
Love it.
滝先生は私の気持ちなんて知らない。
That definitely makes things complicated for Kumiko.
ソロを譲る気は？
ない。
Never.
伏せるそのくらいできなきゃ特別にはなれない。
その時はまだ分かっていなかったのかもしれない。強くあろうとすること、特別であろうとすることがどれだけ大変かということよ。
Okay. Okay, that's the halfway point. Wow. Whoa, this is
Okay.
Dramatic.
知ってるつもりなくても知ってる知らないじゃ違うと
Oh God.
Yeah.
Rumors.
大阪さんをソロにするためのオーディションだったって話もあるらしいよ。緑はソロ譲るっていうの？それも仕方のないことなのかもって。
Oh, to make sure that the rest of the band doesn't kind of fall apart.
Because remember, there was the thing that happened last year.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a lot of people are probably worried about it, you know, spilling out to being another instance of that.
将来の希望とかあるのか。
Eh.
じゃあ
That lovely
勉強をしっかり
question.
やっておくんだな。特に数学。
Yeah.
コンクールに向けて音楽を楽しめ。
Whoa. Whoa.
Huh.
Interesting. Uh-oh. We got our single-toothed character here.
Yeah.
Ah! Ah, the blankets.
始まるまで
Oh, he's
私
about...
は取っていいなんて一言も言ってませんよ。
今日もパート練習。
Oh, awkward. This is
Yeah.
tense. Oh.
そうだ
Oh boy.
僕らも完全に集中切れちゃってるし。私と加藤がオーディション落ちた意味ないよ。
Wow.
Wow,
Yeah.
yeah.
あすか先輩ならみんなのこと乗せてくれそう。
Asuka is powerful, but
あの人
Yeah.
は特別だから。
Yeah, I was gonna say, she... Yeah,
last episode showed that.
right.
あすか先輩って久美子ちゃんになら話しそうな気がする。
Yeah?
As a fellow youth
あ
player.
すか先輩って大前ちゃんにはちょっと違うんだよね。よく押し付けられたような気が。
You have been a little bit.
Yeah.
It is because you do. Wow. And she still plays out here, yeah. No, that's Cowrie.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah!
いいってね
Ah!
まして同情されたいなんて少しも思ってないただ納得してないんだろうね自分に納得
Right.
納得して
Because she didn't get the part for a reason, so she wants
Yeah.
to fix that.
Yeah.
アスカ先輩の私的な意見
Wow, look at Kumiko. She's all
Yeah.
serious here.
やっぱりお前ちゃんは面白いよ正直言って心の底からどうでもいいよ
Yeah.
誰がソロとかそんなくだらないこと
その心を知るにはアスカ先輩の仮面はあまりに厚く、私にはとても剥がせそうになかった
Nice reference back to episode 8.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait. Oh, okay.
She's getting it for her.
嘘をつけない
He's stuck here.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
お父様もそう言ってらしたと記憶しています
Okay. You don't want to just come out and say it?
Wait, did he just now get the idea of the solution then?
Oh.
He's gonna break his silence, basically?
オーディションに不満がある人先生
今日はまた随分静かですね。そこで時間をとって希望者には再オーディションを行いたいと考えています。来週全員の前で演奏し、全員の挙手によって合格を決定し
Whoa!
ます。
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh no!
I
これ
thought,
なら異論はないでしょう。
all right. I thought it was going to be like,
Oh, no,
here's
this
the
could get
recordings.
political though.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
再オーディションを希望する人、
Whoa. Yeah, and that's the one they've all been.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow, okay.
All right.
今ソロパートに決定している高坂さんと2人、どちらがソロにふさわしいか再オーディションを行います。
All right.
Oh, this
Okay.
is juicy. Oh my god, okay.
Now, what a... So, in some cases, you could see Kosaka being like, come on, I won. Why are you giving them, like, second chance, you know? But at the same time...
Oh, but it's
also the thing of
potentially a
the...
where it's like,
No. I know just how good you are.
Yeah.
You can shut them up, you know?
You can show them basically.
Yeah, uh-huh.
And it's the idea of what the teacher said, the principal, she said was people can just tell when the music is good.
Right.
People can just hear it.
Yeah.
And he was like, wait a minute.
That's right.
He's like, I don't have to like not trust them as if they would not be able to tell that the music is good.
Right.
And then it's also it kills the transparency issue. Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then it's also something where it's very similar to what he did at the beginning of the, I'm giving you guys the decision here. Now, some of you might not be happy with the decision that you all come to, but it's your decision.
Right. And also, because they decided that they wanted to go for nationals, basically, enough of them should be doing it based on merit rather than
Right.
political like,
Exactly.
friendships and,
Yep.
you know, yeah, that kind of stuff.